Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, hey, my name is Shar. This is Dollars into Dreams. Today's video is all about cash stuffing. I am cash stuffing my 5th week of July. It is a magic month for me, which is why there's 5 weeks of cash stuffing. I have my money off to the side. I have my budget planner. This is my sinking funds breakdown sheet. And I have what I'm going to stuff in what particular envelope. And then I have a balance section and I keep track of the current balance for that envelope that I am stuffing. This makes it easier. This makes it easier for me if I want to just open up my budget planner and see how much I have available in a binder versus taking them out of the safe, and or when I am trying to like pre-plan in my head or something like that. But sometimes I do take this in my backpack to work with me, and I can look at what I did the previous week and kind of gauge where I might need to stuff a little more. That's what works for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and cash count. Okay, so we have a $444, which is what we are supposed to have. So I have my pen, my erasable pen, and I've been loving this pen. And we're going to start with my sinking funds, and we're going to start actually with my annual bills binder first. All right. I have not updated my trackers. Where am I starting? Sam's. I don't know why I skipped that first one. Okay, so Sam's is getting 2. How is everyone's day going? I feel really bad because most videos, I don't ask you guys how your day is going. And every time I start the video, I mean to, but I forget. So tell me in the comments below, how is your day going? How is the weather where you are? We're under heat advisory. It's been that way for a little over a week, I think. It's going to be hot all this week. So yeah, it's very miserable. So we now have 20, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 46. So we have 46. And our next one that we are stuffing, Amazon, is done. If you've seen my cash planning, then you already know. I found some money and that's where that's at. This is fully done. So we are Netflix and it is getting 8. Okay, so we have 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 105. So we're at 105. And then for Canva, this is going to be really weird because like my breakdown amount is as if I was stuffing each envelope. So, and I'm doing 17. So I'm trying to think, maybe I'll just do an extra 5 ones in my wallet. That's what we'll do. Okay, so let's see. This should be 17. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so we have 100, 120, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 145. Perfect. Okay, so we are fully stuffed for this one right here. So come next week, we will not be allocating money towards this one. Cap cut will get 5. So we have 100, 20, 30, 35, and 140. And I think my next one will be, because what's due next? Cap cut. So then I think I'm going to take that 17 plus the 5 that I stuff in here. And I will do that for a couple of weeks. And then we should be fully stuffed with cap cut. And then my next focus will either be Netflix, P.O. Box, or Epidemic Sound, one of the 3. But I think between August and September, I should be able to fully fund the last 3 annuals that are not due until like January. And we should be good. What did I say we had? 140. And then Epidemic gets 3. So we have 50, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, and 85. And this, I sat at work and figured all of this out when I brought my budget planner to work with me last week. And seeing these balances that I had from the last stuffing really helped. I didn't have to like pull binders out when I got home. I didn't have to wait till I got home to figure it out. I had downtime at work and I was able to figure it out, which I love. And then P.O. Box, the last one in here, is getting 5. So we have 100, 120, 25, 30, and 35. And I've been trying to figure out if I want small or medium. I think I'm going to do medium. And now I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do 6 months or a year. And I think I'm going to do 6 months just because that will give me the money quicker. Because again, it's first come, first serve. So I want to make sure that I'm able to get the medium. So I'm going to work really hard to get to that 170, go get the medium P.O. Box. And then maybe in the next 6 months, I can save up for a year. We'll see. What did I say that P.O. Box had? So it should be 135. All right, so let's do my personal. All right, so in my personal, first one up is toiletries. And we are doing 5. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, and 82. Child, almost forgot how to count. So 82. Wardrobe is getting 10. So we're now at 50, 70, 80, 90, 91, and 92. And I think, yeah, we're not even close to getting back up there yet. And then self-care is getting 5. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40, and 45. I really need to go get my eyebrows done. Okay, and then coming back to family, we have my personal savings. And then we're doing 10, 20, and 25. And I call this personal savings. This is literally just whatever I want to spend this money on. It's usually, I done seen something, I done ordered something, and I'm taking the money from here to cover whatever I done bought. That's usually how that goes. In my son's birthday money, heartbeat number 1. His birthday is in August. Okay, so we're done with this tracker. So we got 5. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and 105. I am going to ask him. I need to get my kids together. I want to take them out to Texas Roadhouse. So I need to, I'm going to ask him if he wants his money early. Okay, so then this is it for the personal binder. And more than likely, he's probably going to say, yes, he wants his money early. In the long-term binder, emergency fund is getting 10. So let's mark off a 10. Okay, so we have 100, 200 in the bank, 220, 240, 250, 260, 262. And then in month ahead, we're not marking off that tracker, but we're stuffing 5. So we have 100, 200 in the bank, 250, 260. Car insurance. I'm really excited that I only have one more stuffing and we are fully funded. It's 30. So we already have $500 in our high yield savings. 520, 540, 550, 560, 565. And it is so funny because the amount to renew is $594. So I literally have $1 left over. And then car maintenance is getting 15. I need to deposit like an odd number, like $4 to make this normal. Because I do not got time to be trying to count that odd amount. All right, so we have 426, 446, 456, 466, 476, 480. Whew. All right, 480. Wow. And then our last one in the debt section, we have federal taxes, and we're doing 5. So we have 100 in the bank, 150, 200, 210, 15, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So 223. All right, so that is it for a long term. Okay, on to my second side, we have my home binder, and we are doing furniture, furniture is just getting 10. I have a hangnail. So we have 10, 20, and 30. I'll have to go back through and update my trackers. So we have 30. And then lawn care is getting 15. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, and 55. Probably will have another week's stuffing before my daughter comes and cuts the grass, because we are under a heat wave and it is not that serious to be out there in 100, like I think yesterday was like 102 or something. And it's, yeah, we're not going to be out there cutting grass. So that's it for home. We have a 1 in my low priority, and that is just the rollover amount because we did not spend anything in household. So we're putting 10 in here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And I realized I probably need to get a second set of sheets for my bed. So I think that's like 60 or 70 bucks. So I want to get a little bit more in there before I do that. Y'all, what did I say that was? 90? We're going to say 90 because I think that is what it was. And then our very last one is holiday. And our current one is Thanksgiving. I think I'm done with this tracker, am I? We're stuffing 4. We're still going to mark. We're going to mark one off. I don't care. Okay. 4. All right, so we have 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. Hopefully I can do 6 next week, and then it'll be right. I need to get another tracker for this one. Not get, I have. I just need to print it off. It's from some other budgeters in the community. All right, so Christmas, let's take the money out. But our little tracker back here, we are doing 15. So we're marking off 7. Really 8 because we forgot. We didn't mark off 1 from last week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we got 15. I'm so proud of this envelope right here. So we have 200 in the bank, 250, 300, 320, 30, 40, 45, and 350. That's so nice. All right, perfect. And I did not 79 and 350. All right, so that's it for holiday. And now my very last thing is my wallet, which here we go. All right, so we got to start from the back because I'll mix up something and confuse myself. So miscellaneous, we know gets 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Eating out gets a 10, 3 5s, and 5 1s. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Oh, wrong way. Eating out is just eating out. My goodness, my spending is getting a 20. I'm confusing myself left and right. And then fuel is getting, let's do 3, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. Okay. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and $100. And then home is just getting one $10 bill. And if we did everything right, the remaining should be $90 for groceries. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. Yay me. Okay, that is all that I have for you guys. I thank you guys for tuning in. If you're not subscribed and want to see more, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I will see you wonderful people in my next video. Till then, have a wonderful day. Bye.